Greetings everyone, this is Steve McKay here, or Electrotark. I'm just going to put a brief description here of a little project I'm working on. This is just the rough prototype of a coolant meter, essentially, determining the mixture volume of suspended or emulsified oils. And as you can see, it's a pretty rudimentary setup, and I have been having problems with it thus far, but I guess I'll describe the project up to this point. Basically, simply enough, hang on, let it focus. There's your RS2 Max 232, just for RS232 output. A little PIC 16F 690. With the reason I'm using it is because it has the 10-bit analog to digital converters, and then 2 op amps, dual op amps, rail to rail, 701.4D. In here, this is the heart of the device. You can see there's a light on. Let me turn it off. You can see it a little better. There is a white LED on the opposite side and 3 detector LEDs. One of them is an infrared, one's a red, and one of them is a green LED. And they all detect, obviously, waveforms with higher energy than themselves. Thus far, the readings haven't been terribly accurate, but we'll figure that out. I might use true photodiodes with some form of temperature compensation. I'm not really sure why everything is drifting around in terms of, and here's a little, just the end part. I didn't make a cable for it yet. I was going to make it so that the white LED would be turned on with this transistor here. However, it looks like there's not enough voltage to go around, so neither of them turn on. So I'm assuming the LED is probably around 3.7 volts, and the transistor needs, I believe, 2 volts for saturation. I don't remember now, but it's a Darlington pair, so, and I believe that's the issue at the moment. Here's a plug-in for the wall wart PIC programming board. And I did set it up to accept input. So let's say I'm going to hit S. I'm going to acquire 10,000 samples. And it shows me, the values. I can set it to the baseline. Right, so if I call up the difference, obviously it's 0 from the last sample. So we'll take another sample, and let's do it again. Yeah. So you notice the drift, huge amounts of drift. That's because I'm using a 10-bit ADC and just simply taking 10,000 samples, adding them together. It does increase resolution to a certain degree, but so far I'm not having a great deal of success with it. We'll see what happens soon. And anyways, this is just a brief description of what I've got going here for now. I'm using CCSC, just a quick program to just test out the features and whatnot. So that's it for now. If anybody has any comments or questions, post them either on my site or on the channel. Have a good day.